I am Darshan from CSC department at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am here to explain about SQLG stored procedures. Introduction to SQLJ and stored procedures. SQLJ is a programming language that allows for embedding SQL statement in Java code. Stored procedures or precompiled database code that can be executed by calling them from an application. Benefits of using SQLJ and stored procedures. SQLJ provides type checking at compile time, reducing the risk of runtime errors. Stored procedures can improve performance by reducing network overhead. Both SQLJ and stored procedures enhance code reuse and encapsulation. SQLJ syntax and usage. SQLJ code is written within a Java code using a special SQLJ syntax. SQLJ statements are pre-proposed and converted into standard JDBC code during compilation. SQLJ code can be executed against any database that supports JDBC. Advantage of SQLJ. SQLJ provides a seamless integration of SQL statements into Java code. SQLJ supports static typing, allowing for early detection of type mismatches. SQLJ provides enhanced security by preventing SQL injection attack. Disadvantage of SQLJ. SQLJ may require additional setup and configuration compared to other SQL frameworks. SQLG code can become a very base and harder to read in complex applications. SQLG may have limitation with certain database specific features or syntax. Stored procedures basics. Stored procedures are database objects that encapsulate multiple SQL statements. Stored procedures can have input and output parameters. Stored procedures can be written in various languages, including SQL, PL, SQL, and TSQL. Benefits of stored procedures. Stored procedures enhance security by allowing controlled access to underlying data. Stored procedures improve a performance by reducing network traffic. Stored procedures promote a code reuse and modular development. Common use cases of stored procedures. Data validation and business logic enforcement, complex data manipulations and calculations. Database administration tasks such as backups and maintenance. Stored procedures best practices. Keep stored procedures simple and focused on a single task. Use input parameters validation to prevent data inconsistencies. Document and comment stored procedures for better maintainability. Difference between SQLJ and stored procedures. SQLJ is a language that allows a SQL statements to be embedded in Java code. Stored procedures are paracompiled database code that can be called from an application. SQLJ is primarily used for dynamic SQL while stored procedures are used for encapsulating complex logic. SQLJ versus stored procedures performance consideration. SQLJ can have performance overhead due to the need for pre-processing. Stored procedures can offer better performance by reducing network round trips. The choice between SQLJ and stored procedures depends on the specific application requirements. SQLJ and stored procedure integration. SQLJ code can invoke stored procedures using a JDBC. Stored procedures can call SQLJ code as a part of their implementation. The combination of a SQLJ and stored procedures provides a powerful and flexible solutions for database programming. Example of SQLJ and stored procedure usage. SQLJ can be used to execute a dynamic SQL statement based on the user input. Stored procedures can be used to implement complex business rules and calculations. SQLJ stored procedures can be combined to provide a flexible and efficient data access layer. SQLJ and stored procedures common challenges. Debugging SQLJ code can be more challenging compared to regular Java code. Maintaining and updating stored procedures may require a coordination with database administrators. Compatibility issues may arise when migrating between different database platforms. Best practice for SQLJ and stored procedures. Flow coding standards and naming a conventions to improve a code readability and maintainability using a versions control to track a challenge SQLG and stored procedure code. Regularly review and optimize SQLG and stored procedure performance. Conclusion: SQLG and stored procedure are powerful tools for database programming. SQLJ offer a seamless integration of SQL statements within a Java code. Stored procedures provide a performance security and code reuse benefit. Thank you.